out another video. FatGuyBuilds here. We're going to do some tire covers for your RV, for your boat, for your whatever. I'm going to show you how to install them, show you what they're made out of, and show you how they look. So let's get into it.
Here's the part number for the 27 to 29 inch tire covers. These are the things that they claim the covers do for you. Block UV, blocks dirt, corrosion, frost, and bad weather. Which I think is, frost is covered under bad weather, but hey. And mine came shipped just in this box. And they come in this vacuum sealed style bag. So I'm going to open them up, take a look, see what kind of quality the material is. They come shipped inside of the vacuum sealed bag, inside of a storage bag that is black. So I'm going to open the storage bag and open one of them up, take a look. When you unfold them, this is what they look like. Flat on the bottom where the ground's going to be, round on top to hug the tire. This is the back side, so it has bungee on top to go around the tire and hold it snug. And then on the bottom it has these two latch areas where we're going to latch it all together. Step 1, slip the cover over the tire. Step 2, hook up the hook into this eye. Step 3, wrap the cord. So if you hook the right side first, wrap the cord around the bottom of the tire and then hook it onto the left side all the way from around this way. So on the back side, it's nice and tight now because this one on the bottom hooked all the way around the tire, then came around and hooked the other side, so they overlap and they're tight. This is what it's going to look like when you put them on both tires. These tires in wheel combination are about 1 inch too small for this, so I should have bought the next size smaller. But it's still going to work, it's still going to do what it's supposed to do. I'd like to thank you once again for coming and checking out another video. You can check me out on Facebook if you want to talk to me or you want to get a video on your car. Check me out on Patreon, and until next time, wrench on.